Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mustafa's Global Views. Today I will talk about Allama Muhammad Iqbal and today's youth. उकाबे रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में। नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर कि तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर। Allama Iqbal was not just a poet, he was a visionary. He believed in the power of young people to bring change and shape the future of the young nation. What does Iqbal want from today's youth? This was his great message for today's youth to believe in yourself. Allama Iqbal spoke about khudi, which means believing in yourself, your abilities, and confidence to realize the inner strength of youth. As Allama Iqbal said in his beautiful poetry for the young people, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. In today's fast-moving world, young people have more opportunities to grow themselves for a bright future. Allama Iqbal once said, "Zara nam ho to ye matti badi zarkhiz aisa ki," which means if given the right care, even this soul can create great things. This is the great message to the youth to work hard and believe in yourself. अपनी मट्टी पे चलने का सलीका सीखो, संगे मरमर पे चलोगे तो फिसल जाओगे. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी किश्त वीरा से, जरा नम हो तो ये मट्टी बड़ी जरखेज ऐसा की. Allama Iqbal had a firm belief in the power of youth and linked them to falcons. He believed the youth possess the strength, determination, and creativity to shape their destiny. At the end of my words, I would like to say that Allama Iqbal's ideas are still relevant for today's youth. He inspired youth to be very strong, hardworking, committed, and united for the streamlined and bright future. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe to Mustafa's Global Views. Thank you.